Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, OnStar Communication System, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.